Hello Wolfpack, this is video number 42. In this video I'd like to discuss the problems that I've had with my GoPro 7. It's been problematic. The solution that I'm going to show you for today's problem in relation to connectivity has taken me about 6 hours to figure out yesterday. I had to wait for my batteries to charge, which took about a good 4, maybe 5 hours to charge to full, and then it took me additional few hours in order to fix this problem. First, one of the problems is that I had to have Android 5.0. I only got 4.1.1 on my Samsung Note, and it wasn't good enough, which is really frustrating, but I'll get to that in the next video. Now, connecting this GoPro to this phone, here's the solution to do this. I had many hours of problems, but this is how I resolved it. First things first is that you slide down the menu, you go to Preferences, you go to Connections, you scroll down and you reset connections. Alright, so it resets it. The second step, when the camera restarts, scroll down, go to Preferences, go to Connections, scroll down to Wi-Fi band, and you change that to 2.4. Now that will, if you've changed that before, if you've played around in the settings and you've changed that before, when you reset, it will reset it to 5 gigahertz. So please make sure that you change it back to 2.4 gigahertz. Then you go up to wireless connections, make sure that's on. It says click connect. Then you go to your GoPro app and you wait. The second part, you go to your phone, click the menu, go to camera, and you go add. And you wait a long time. You sit and you wait. Now, you go to the GoPro 7. The issue with this is that the interface seems to be broken. You click yes, but what it says is this the first time you have tried to? Alright, and I'd assume connect. So you click yes, and it says turn on your GoPro 7, but once again the interface is broken. Right. Now you wait for a really long time. You just sit and you wait and you wait, and that's how I resolved it. I don't know why this took so much effort. I want to tell you something in this video is that I just did a video on this and it took me 20 minutes, and I thought that video was no good. That's not going to help anyone. It's just going to show you all the problems that I've had. Ooh, you can't find the GoPro. So, and this is a problem that I was having. So that's usually what happens. That error. I don't know if anyone can see that. That's all it says. You're just sitting in the GoPro app. So, once again, this is the same error that came up before. I don't know if you guys can see that. So what you do, or what I continue to do, is you go back to the start again, right? And then you add a phone, another phone, not a phone, sorry, another camera. Try and add another camera. If it doesn't work this time, you have to go back into your settings of your GoPro. Now, once again, this has been a very, very difficult experience to try and pair these up. I don't know why. Now, I've stopped pairing deliberately, and I've gone back to the GoPro app. Be patient. That's one of the bits of advice that I would say for this. Sometimes, there we go. If you can, right? If you can, try and press the GoPro app at the same time. And there it's connected. It takes its time. You do have a bit of difficulties. I had chronic amounts of disconnections and difficulties in order to try and connect this, but it eventually does work. Renaming this phone was another nightmare. I don't know how the hell I got it done. I was able to do it in a previous attempt last night, but it's just very, very difficult. It will not ask me if it'd like to rename it. Now, just be aware that this isn't the only solution that's available, but for me, this is the one that worked. Good luck. If you have any questions or comments below, please let me leave a message, and I'll do my best to answer them. But one thing you'll note when in this, and this is what I want to tell you, is I've actually updated the firmware in this. So the menu that I've been showing you on this is slightly different to the menu on a brand new GoPro, simply because that they've shuffled some things around, and I don't know why. If you want to try and go back to the GoPro, go back to your Connect device and then go to GoPro app, right? So just be aware of that, and yeah, good luck. Be proud of who you are, be proud of where you come from, respect, honor and pride. Bye, Wolfpack.